kabutihan ng Diyos at sa lahat ng provision. Sa inyong mga anak, bilin ko lang laging si Lord ka sa gitna. Katulad mo, pinatch ni Pastor Kanye. Laging ang tingin lang kay Lord, si Jesus, in the center. Yun lang ang ano ko sa inyo.
Wala. Okay? Sige, 1, 2, 3. Ang request po nila. Yes! Request lang ng Nino ang inang sa likod ko. With wave and shout, DJ Enchi, Mr. and Mrs. Sunyo. Okay, palakpakan po natin sila.
Pinimili ko sa'yo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda Gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord for giving us one of the greatest gifts we could ever receive. At yun ay yung araw na to na papasok tayo sa kasal at magsasama habang buhay. Habang sinusulat ko to, paulit-ulit akong nagpapasalamat kay Lord dahil sa grace niya, binigyan niya ako ng pagkakataong makilala ka, mahalin ka, makasama ka sa buhay na binigay niya sa atin. Nung una tayong magkita, alam mo na wala ko ibang naramdaman kundi at peace. At hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin naman yung patuloy na pinaparamdam mo sa akin. At alam ko din na hindi aksidente yung pagtatagpo natin na may purpose si Lord kung bakit niya tayo pinagtagpo. At ngayon, nangangako ako sa iyo. Nangangako akong sasamahan ka sa bawat hakbang ng buhay na ito habang sabay nating dinutupad ang purpose na binigay sa atin ni Lord. At bukod kay Lord at sunod kay Lord, ikaw yung pipiliin ko na i-prioritize at iingatan ko ang puso ko para sa iyo. Mamahalin kita ng buo at magiging tapat sa iyo. Nangangako akong magpapasakop sa iyo at susuportahan ka sa lahat ng pinagkatiwala ng Diyos sa iyo para sa ating pamilya. At sa oras ng hirap at pagsubok, pipiliin kong magbigay ng pag-asa, magsalita ng kabutihan, at palakasin ka. Hindi kailanman hilahin pababa. Ako ang magiging kakampi mo sa bawat season ng buhay at karagdagang pahinga mo sa mga panahong napapagod ka. Mamahalin at pahahalagahan kita. Irerespeto, makikinig ako sa iyo, at makikipag-communicate ako openly at nang mahinahon. Patuloy kitang uunawain. Ako ang iyong best friend at ang taong palagi mong masasandalan. Sa bawat pangakong ito, alam ko hindi magiging madali palagi yung journey natin. Pero gaya ng palagi nating sinasabi sa isa't isa, na sa lahat ng to, tulungan tayo ni Lord na mahalin ang isa't isa ng tama, na ang puno ng pagpapatawad, respeto, katapatan at pagtsatsaga. Sa tulong ng Diyos, makakaya natin maging sa kabila ng mga kahinaan at imperfections natin. Siya nawa ang maging sentro ng ating pagsasama at lagi mong tandaan na mahal na mahal kita, asawa ko.
Wala pa ka natin spirit sa
Magandang hapon po sa bawat isa. So, to my great love, hi Peachy, love, thank you Lord. So, sa totoo lang, I don't always have the right words. Iniisip ko kung ano nga ba ang sasabihin ko ngayon sa loob ng ilang buwan. I wrote it then, inulit ko, tapos makailang ulit pa. But then, I pictured you standing here, looking at you. So right now, I won't feel pressure to sound perfect, but I just want to be honest. Because I know it was never about the perfect words. It's always been about you, and it will always be about us. So, love, I don't vow to be perfect, but I vow to be real. To choose you with intention, not just on beautiful days, but on the ones that feel ordinary or hard. I vow to love you with patience even when I'm tired. To support you not just when you're strong, but especially when you feel like you're falling apart. I vow to never treat our love like something that's guaranteed. But I vow to keep being curious about who you are. I vow to believe in you even on the days you don't believe in yourself. To hold space for your dreams, even ones that scare me. I vow to be the hand you hold, the partner you lean on, and to be the biggest supporter in your life. And I vow to protect us because it's the most important thing that I'll ever build. I vow to choose you over pride, fear, or anything that tries to come between us. I choose you today and every day in all your perfect imperfections. Our love isn't perfect. We're not perfect, but I trust us. I'll keep choosing you over and over for as long as I live, and I know that whatever comes next, we'll figure it out together. I love you so much. I love you, Preachy. I love you, asawa ko. Simula nung unang date natin na umabot tayo ng 5 oras, alam ko na ikaw na ang babae na ibinigay sa akin para sa akin ng mga kasama ko habang buhay. And I thank the Lord for having you, my wife, my answered prayer. I'm so blessed to have you in my life, and I look forward to every moment of our future together. With all that I am, I take you to be my partner, my love, and my lifelong companion. Today, I give you my heart and my promise to be the witness to your life. I love you now and forever.
Pakita nyo yung ginawa niyong practice ng 3 taon. You may now kiss the bride.
With hearts full of joy and reverence, let us now welcome our beautiful, radiant, and ready to walk in God's purpose for her life. Please welcome our beautiful bride, Miss Preachy D. de Guzman. The more I seek you, the more I find you, the more I find you, the more I love you. I wanna sit at your feet, drink from the cup in your hand, lay back against you. The more I find you, the more I find you, the more I love you. I wanna sit at your feet, drink from the cup in your hand, lay back.
Kumatras. Ate Lily, wala naman. DJ!
The more I seek you, the more I find you,
Kala ko wala eh.
the more I find you, the more I love you. I wanna sit at your feet, drink from the cup in your hand, lay back against you and breathe, feel your heartbeat. This love is so deep, it's more than I can stand. I melt in your peace, it's overwhelming.
magti 3 years na kami nitong 23. Computing ko muna.
Magti 3 years na po kami by this August.
In my eyes, you were like dandelions of summertime.
Nung una tayong nagkita, alam mo na sinabi ko na kung naramdaman is at peace ang heart ko. At alam ko din at ramdam ko na hindi aksidente yung pagtatagpo natin at merong purpose ang Diyos kung bakit niya tayo pinagtagpo.
There's only one choice I can make. I choose you over and over again. Only you. Every day till this world ends. There's no mountain I wouldn't climb, that I wouldn't try, that I wouldn't do. I choose you.
My great love. Hi, Peachy. Love. Iniisip ko kung ano nga ba ang sasabihin ko ngayon sa loob ng ilang buwan. I pictured you standing here, looking at you. So right now, I won't feel pressure to sound perfect. I just want to be honest.
Ay, enjoy natin yung araw na to kasi alam ko, ito yung araw na ginawa ni Lord. Na mapupulfill natin yung purpose natin together. At yun is yung papasok na tayo sa commitment. Nakasama siya sa relationship natin. Forever.
I choose you. Every day till this world ends. There's no mountain I wouldn't climb, that I wouldn't try, that I wouldn't do. I choose you.
Simula na po yung things natin na umamit tayo ng Diyos. Alam ko hindi ko ang babae na hindi siya makakasama ko.
Then, doon nag-start yung conversation natin. Worship leader siya, then ako din. So, yung music talaga yung pinaka-top na nag-vibe sa akin.
It feels like all the songs something that moves you. I don't have all the words.
Wala ako dito. Ano ako yung narating ko? Ano ako yung meron?
Ang talatang ito ay 29:11, Jeremiah. Magiging gabay mo ito from now on towards your coupleship, your marriage, towards your coupleship, and towards the bliss of the gift of God, which is marriage.
When I say I mean it, it's true. And I hope you can see it in all that I do. I know it might be nothing new, but I love you, I love you, I love you.
Bakit? Ay, wag. Ako na mag-ano yan.
May it remind you that in all the time ahead, my love for you is constant, steady, and always moving forward with you. Through every hour, every challenge, and every joy, I promise to be by your side.
All it took was a little flame, a little flame. All it takes is a little faith, a little faith. What a joy, what an honor that I can say. I get to wake up to your beautiful face.
Pipiliin ko ang magbigay ng pag-asa, magsalita ng kabutihan at palakasin ka, hindi kaya naman nihilahin pababa. Ako ang magiging kakampi mo sa bawat season ng buhay at karagdagang pahinga mo sa mga panahong napapagod ka.
Beautiful face from the dawn to the dusk of my days. From the depths of my soul and with all of my strength. Here is my heart and just one phrase. I love you, I love you, I love you.
With all that I am, I take you to be my partner, my love, my lifelong companion, And today, I give you my heart and my promise to be the witness to your life. I love you now and forever.
Nothing new.